Hi guys, today we'll discuss join keys concept in mainframe. Okay, so join keys concept we use in mainframe when we have to compare two files and we have to write either matching data in the output file or unmatched from one file or first file or unmatched from second file or only the unmatched from first file, only the unmatched from second file, like that. So there are 5 6 scenarios where join key concept is used. So today in today's example I have taken two files. One is input file 1, second one is input file 2. You can see the file structure of the first file. Firstly we have some employee id. Okay, suppose the employee id length is 6 7 8 8 8 characters, the employee id length, and then we have the employee name. In the second file we have employee id and employee salary, suppose. Now the requirement is you want to copy the common records into the output file. Common records as in wherever the employee id is same from both the files. What you have to copy is you have to copy the employee id, employee name, and employee salary. Common employee id, employee name, employee salary in output. You have, this is the requirement. Now this thing we can do using sort utility. Okay, a similar kind of thing you will get in db2 also, where you will have two tables, you have to join the two tables, and using inner join you have to copy. Same thing we can, same kind of concept we can use in jcl also. So for that we have to use sort utility. So in short I will write first of all job card. Then we'll have suppose step exec pgm equal to sort. Then we'll have this ddc sort statements, I will not write. So after that you can write your sort dd statements like sort jnf1 dddsn equal to input file 1. In short I'm writing, so sort jnf2 dddsn equal to input file 2 disp equal to share. Okay, so sort jnf1 is the dd name for first input file, sort jnf2 is dd name for second input file. Now we have to compare both these files and copy the common employee ids, employee names, and employee salaries to output. So for this we have to write ccin dd star. Inside ccin dd star we have to write, either we can write option copy or sort field zero copy will also work. Then we have to write join keys files equal to f1 comma fields equal to, I'll tell you the meaning of that is what that, the meaning of what that is. Then join keys files equal to f2 fields 1 comma 7 comma a, not 7, it will be 8 actually. Now, why have I written join keys files? Because we are joining the two files f1 and f2. The dd names of the two files are sortgenf f1, sortgenf f2. While writing it inside sysint star, you can write join keys files equal to f1 for first input file, f2 for second input file. So it will denote first and second input file respectively. Now, what is fields equal to this? So what is our requirement? Our requirement is based on common employee id, we have to copy the employee id, employee name, and employee salary. So based on common employee id, so where does the employee id field start from? In the first input file, it starts from first position. Its length is what, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 length. That is why 1 comma 8 comma in ascending order I'm ordering. Then in the second one is second input file is same first position till 8 length in ascending order I'm managing. So this thing you have to be very careful of whenever you write this kind of things like fields. When you write the fields, you have to be very careful about this thing, because it is not necessary that in both the two files the employee id or the whatever field you are comparing the files on will be at the same position, and there is any requirement that the fields should be at the same position with same length. Okay, the fields may be at different positions in both the files, so it depends on wherever the field is present, that thing only you have to write in fields. Okay, now next is what you want to copy. So in the previous two lines, it will arrange both the files based on the first position till 8 length in ascending order, both the files, and it will also compare. Now what will it write in the output file? So it will write reformat fields. So you have to write reformat fields. In reformat fields, the data will come. Now what do you want in the output file? You want the employee ID. So employee ID, common employee IDs, right? So common employee IDs you can take from any file. Okay, so you take from first so f1 is to 1 comma 8. That means from first file, from first position till 8 length, you will copy to output. Done. Then what do you want to copy next? Employee name. Employee name is present in first file. So employee name f1. Then employee name starts at which position? Ninth position. Sorry, 9 comma length is suppose 5. Okay, now from the second from next, what do you want? You want employee salary. Employee salary starts at which file? Is present at in which file? Second file. So f2. Then it starts at which position? Ninth position. 9 comma length is 5. So this will be the equation. So f1 is to 1 comma 8. That means you are taking from the first file, you are taking from first position till 8 length, whatever is present. That means the employee ID. And from first file, from ninth position till 5 length, whatever is present, you are taking. That means employee name. From second file, from ninth position till 5 length, whatever is present, you are taking. That is the salary. Now, which salaries, which employee IDs, which employee names will you copy? The common ones. That will depend based on whatever you have written in the previous two lines. Okay. So if you complete this scenario, it will copy the common employee IDs, common employee IDs and corresponding employee names and employee salaries to output file. Okay. Now, what is the necessity of this arranging this in SNA order? If you have seen my previous video, I had given a video of how mainframe removes duplicates from files, okay, while copying the unique ones to output. So it always needs the files in some ascending order based on a key, so that it is able to remove duplicates from its adjacent position. It is not able to remove duplicate from a random position. It does not have that capacity. Similarly, here also, whenever it compares two files, both the files should be in sorted order, in ascending order, should be in sorted order, so that it does key to key parallel this one comparison. So first key of the first file will be compared with the first key of second file, like that. Automatically it will check in the ascending order. That is why it is necessary to arrange both the files in ascending order, in sorted order. Otherwise this join keys concept will never work, because mainframe does not have the privilege of comparing from a random position to find out the common ones. That is why we have to arrange it in ascending order of the key. Then whatever you want in the reform output file, that you can write in the reformer fields, this thing. So it is a very easy concept. Same thing you can do with COBOL program also, with parallel processing of files. I'll make a video of that also, how the parallel processing of records will work, how you compare two files and copy common records to output. That is called parallel reading of files. For that also I'll make a video. That video will be a little longer because that is little complex topic. So hope this video helps. I'll come with more videos. Thank you.